Ano, Tunad? Mabagal pa, Tunad? Ano to, Jess? Mabagal? Ayun na!
Sige ba yun?
Si CK yung nasa harap. Ooh. Mafag.
Yayo. Tunad. Bigyan mo ng ulam si Yayo.
Tunad, CR ka na.
The seatbelt sign is switched off. For your safety, we require you to keep your seatbelt loosely fastened whenever you're seated. This is a non-smoking flight. Temporarily to safely destroying smoking tubes located in laboratories is prohibited by law.
Alcalmas to Caligon Airport. Traffic and weather permitting, estimate to arrive at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Time check for your convenience, it's 3:36. The weather is reportedly good with temperature of 29 degrees Celsius and wind coming from the north side, approximately 12 knots. We apologize for the delay of this flight. This is due to late arrival of your turnaround aircraft and the traffic sequencing a while ago during our departure at Manila. We hope to make it up to you in one of your future flights. For the meantime, just sit down, relax, enjoy the rest of the flight. Again, in behalf of Cebu Pacific, for the rest of our crew, thank you for flying with us.
For all unsafe meals or change, please call the attention of any of your cabin crew. In preparation for descent, we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any litter and bring this with you when you leave the aircraft, because disposals will not be collected in flight. In addition, ensure all electronic devices are switched off or in silent mode at this time. After landing, guests must remain seated even after the seatbelt sign is switched off. To make certain that we comply with physical distancing, we will call your row numbers when it is your turn to stand and get your bag. Mangyari po lamang na dalhin ang mga bagay na nais ninyong itapon sa inyong pagbaba. Pinaalalahanan po namin ang lahat ng manatiling nakaupo hanggang sa paglapag ng eroplano. Maaari lamang kayong sumayo kapag tinawag na ang numero ng inyong squad. Maraming salamat po.
ko, no? Kita mo na lahat, oh. Wow! Wow! Ay, parang nasa ano na tayo? Nasa baba na nga. Wow! Wow! We're here.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as the outlets may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have declined. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Boracay Airport. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team headed by our flight tech crew, Captain Del Rosario and First Officer Landingin, together with your cabin crew, thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moment. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. We wish to inform you that in adherence to physical distancing, guests will the plane by rows after the seatbelt sign is switched off. Please remain seated until your row is locked. Once again, for sanitation purposes, please bring your litter as you leave your seat. You may dispose this on the bin that will be provided as you leave the aircraft. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. Mangyari na manatiling nakaupo hanggang ang numero ng inyong upuan ay tinawag na upang tumayo. Muli po namin pinaalalahanan ang lahat ng panaunin na huwag mag-iwan ng mga bagay na nais ninyong itapon sa loob ng eroplano. Mangyari po lamang na dalhin ang mga ito sa inyong pagbaba. Salamat.
Cabin crew, disarm guards for arrival.